So let's start with creating our login information, our login page, so we can actually set up this what we call navigation guard. So we can't just any user can't just log into admin. So we actually have to log in to be able to change things here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to create a component, of course, in Vue here, and I'm going to create mine in the admin section over here. So mark this so it's clearable, and then create a new file, and let's call this login.vue. And I'm going to do the VBase here for the standard information we have. And beside the template, well, you basically for starters you just need the template. If you don't have the V, I can't remember what this plugin is called, but whatever. In here we're going to create our V container like this. So the system, I can't even spell right now. So V container here, and inside this we want the V row because we're following the 2.0, and then we want the V column here as well. So we have our standard setup for everything. And our V column, we want to do something specific. I kind of want to do an offset for medium-sized screen by 3 because I just want it to be centered, this box here. So what I want to create is a box that goes from here, like always the center of the screen. And then I want to set up how wide it's actually going to be by using the medium screen sizes. I'm going to use 6 of the columns, and then I'm just going to do a fallback to mobile phones and smaller, extra small screens and so on, so it takes up all the spaces. In this one I'm just going to add in an H1 and going to call this administrator login, right? So this is just the basics for now. So let's, before we continue, actually just implement this into our router here. So I'm going to click save. I'm going to open up my router here, and then I'm going to make some changes to my router because I want to of course set this up as well. Now I'm just going to scroll back all the way down after this admin here, so the new add new information here. So I'm just going to copy this, and I'm going to change this to login, and this one to login, and login. I can't even spell now. Login. There we go. And component will be of course login. I'm also going to add it up here because if I don't, then it won't work. So I'm adding login from where is it? It's like slash dot components slash admin slash login. There we go. .vue. So this should now be connected. Now I'm just going to add an extra thing real quick before I actually show, and that's what we call. I'm just going to paste one more in here. And this is actually a fallback. So kind of if the page doesn't exist, then you're going to go to a page here. So we're going to make a redirect real quick. So the path here is like this. So everything. So if we, for example, have I don't know, it says admins, like this is not correct, right? This is wrong. So instead of just staying at this page, we're going to make a redirect like this, and slash. And there we go. So if we make an error or something went wrong, instead of just going to staying on the same page showing no errors and anything, we're just going to make a redirect so it points us to the front page in this case, right? To the home here. That's the same as this one up here, like home. Woo! So the path for home. So this is basically just a fallback. Awesome. Let's click save and let's see if it still works. Great. Let's go to our navigation and let's quickly add this in. I'm just going to use it just before the about page here, so paste in. I just copied that one there, and I'm gonna switch this to login, and in progress, that's fine, and login, right? So for now I just want the link over here so you can actually click it. You can always change the icons and so on. So I just want to click this and see what I have. So at least it's centered, but we haven't gotten any of the styling, but we'll do that in the next video.